Here's a 1998 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Pace car model. Now, of course, the ones that were sold at the Chevrolet dealerships were a replica of the actual Indianapolis pace car and the cars that actually went around the track itself, pacing the race. Now, there was 1,163 of these made. And as far as the automatic goes, which this has an automatic in it, there was 616 with automatics. So, not a ton of these made with automatic transmissions, let alone manuals. Now, of course, powered by the LS1 V8 underneath the hood. These are one of the more sought after pace cars because they say that this car was the closest to the actual cars that went around the track at Indy. Called this Radar Blue. Exterior paint color. Of course, the flags, graphics, everything on this car, just like the pace car would have had. The yellow wheels. Now, there's a little over 50,000 miles on this car. It's in very nice shape. As you can see, not full of a bunch of nicks or scratches. There's a few little chips here and there that have been touched up that you can barely get them to show up in the cameras. But considering, 50,000 miles, very nice car. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, engine bay, interior, take a look close up at this car, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. You can click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. So the yellow and black two-tone interior, matching the yellow highlights on the exterior of the car. Now, this particular car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirms miles as original. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email us. The RPO code for the pace car would be Z4Z. That was actually a little over a $5,000 option, which gave you the pace car replica items to it. Now, this would have the active handling package. And again, you can see up and down the passenger side of this, not full of scratches or dings or anything in the door. Again, you can see the paint has a nice luster to it. Go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Check out the engine bay. So, of course, Bose stereo, power windows, power locks, your tilt, cruise, memory seating, power mirrors, dual climate control, all the goodies that you'd get on a nicely equipped Corvette. Get the exact miles here for you too. There you go, 52,952. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. Dual climate control, CD player, Bose stereo, dash and everything in nice shape. No sort of cracking or peeling or anything like that. It's like you'd expect it to be. I'm going to slip around to the back of this so you get an idea how it sounds. Appears to be stock exhaust, sounds like it. No crazy aftermarket loud exhaust, anything like that. Everything that I've noticed on this car, pretty much stock the way it would have came back in '98 when it rolled off the Chevy dealer showroom floor. Probably pop this hood to a second here. I'm going to pause it, pop this hood and let you take a look underneath it. Alright, there's a 5.7 liter LS1. Smooth running, great sounding. Just the way it should be. Very reliable engines. Other thing about these, great on gas mileage too, considering a sports car with the kind of performance and horsepower this has. Just what you'd expect underneath there. So there you go. There you go. You're looking for one of the more desirable Indy pace cars. Here it is, 1998 Chevrolet Corvette. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, click on it. There's a link. It's going to take you right to our website. Of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So ask your sales associate when you call in or shoot us an email.